Hey guys, how's it going? I just thought I'd come on here real quick and do my Boxycharm. I gotta hurry up because I gotta go into work. But I tried to do this last night at home, but I don't have air conditioning on half of my house. So the half that I can do the filming on is hot. So, here I am again for the millionth time in my car. So, let's see. This is July's box, $21 a month, and you get like 5 full-size products. And lately, they've been doing pretty good. So, let's see what's in here real quick. So when you open it, it says Cutie Pie. And I've been digging this foam thing here that they've been putting in here, so you don't get those little paper things everywhere. And these can be useful, so I might start saving these and do something with them. So, alright, so this is what I have in my box here. What is this thing? I haven't seen this in anybody else's box. It says Ofra Body Illuminator. Radiant body cream to give a sun-kissed glimmer. It says Charmer on it, so I'm guessing it was made exclusively for Boxycharm. So that is that. It's not a self-tanner. I don't know. Maybe we'll save this one for a giveaway. Not really my thing. Not really my thing. Okay. This is Blink Electric Eyes Palette. From what I can see, okay, so that is the colors there. Very pretty, very pretty. We might hold on to this one. That looks pretty good. Wow, these names. Look at the names of the okay, next. Alright, so we got the Bare Minerals Prep Step Broad Spectrum SPF 50 Daily Prep Lotion. I can dig this. I like lotion for my face by Bare Minerals, so I don't know. Yeah, cool. Okay, formulated without oils, parabens, or fragrance. So yeah, I will try that. That's good. Okay, this, what the heck? Oh. Okay, this is a universal eyebrow pencil. I needed a new eyebrow pencil, yay. Okay, so let's see. Looks like a pretty nice color here. I'm gonna have crap on my hands before I go in the that'll work. That will work. Okay, I do like that so far. It's got a spoolie on the other end. Yay, I'm excited for the pencil. Woohoo! Anyway, that one last thing in here is the Ultra Matte Lip by ColourPop in the color Monday. Okay, I haven't seen this color in anybody's box yet. Let's see. Oh god, I'm scared. I like it. Okay. Yeah, it's called Monday. My lips. It's the color of my lips. What do you think, guys? It turns kind of brown, so I don't know. Very matte, but it feels kind of velvety. Does it look okay on me? Comment down below. Anyway, so now that we got that in, okay, so ColourPop, $6. So the eyebrow pencil, $12. The eye palette, $45. There's no way. No. All right, this $30, and the illuminator $40 for this. Boxycharm. Anyway, I do like some of this stuff. I'm starting to keep some of it so we can do a giveaway. Yay! Anyway, I gotta hurry up and get into work. I only got a couple minutes. Woohoo! Love you guys. Bye!